Hi, folks. This is Shelly. Hope you are all doing well. I am happy that you all liked and commented positively on our previous video. Likewise, I am gonna provide much value in this video too. Are you new to the IXL portal? Do you face difficulty in accessing the program? Then, this video is completely for you. But, before we proceed further, I would request you to like the video, share it, and click the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the uploaded videos. Here are some tips on how to get IXL answers. Step 1. Go to your account and sign in. Open a browser and navigate to the IXL website. Your district and school name can be used to log in. Put your username by clicking the Sign In button. Complete the 6-digit password and unique ID is required. Step 2. Visit the IXL dashboard. A screen similar to the one below will appear after you log into IXL. The IXL code solutions appearing here is another positive point. Step 3. Pick your classes and locate your homework. Users can learn more about a subject at different levels by clicking on it, including science or math. The issue that your teachers have assigned you in class is your choice. It is how the entire process gets displayed in a broader sense. Step 4. Make a subject selection and go to your assignments. You can select the subject and begin doing the IXL homework. You can also click the skills suggested by your teacher icon to view additional questions. These are some of the steps that you must follow when you are searching for IXL answers. Try it, you will definitely be benefited. IXL is a great program that gives students access to their course materials. It also assists in resolving some queries regarding academic learning. The engaging courses on the app give students more self-assurance. IXL questions are now available online, helping students prepare for online exams. The formality of classroom instruction is eliminated, and sufficient freedom is substituted. If you find this video beneficial, please leave a comment. Like and share this video to help online students discover the best answer to their issues. Do you want to get videos like this? If yes, please click the bell button to follow our channel.